Alright, this is an Emerson ceiling fan. I'm not sure of the model. If somebody knows, please help me out in the comments below. It's not something like a Monterey. That's the model they currently make, even though it looks sort of similar. It's from 1992, and it's made by Alaska. It has a cast aluminum motor in it, and it's a good fan. Picked it up at Habitat for 10 bucks, and we'll go ahead and show it running. Started out on low. Alright, medium. This may or may not be a childhood fan of mine. A restaurant my parents used to take me to had something like this in either black or gunmetal around the bar area. Like they were installed around the bar. And I believe they were one of these. I can't quite remember. I was quite young. But either way, it was a cool setup. I do think they made them in gunmetal, so those may be it. Just maybe. But either way, I'm glad to have it. It's a good fan. I try to pick up these Alaska-made fans whenever I find them. And we're on high. Little wobble, nothing too bad, and it moves plenty of air. It's not quite stack motor air movement, but it's up there with any Hunter fan, maybe a little more. And we'll shut it off. Alright folks, that was the unknown Emerson fan. Hope you enjoyed the video.